smart lights, Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood, alone or just with your crew, however you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch, control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist, so many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream, Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights, Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood, alone or just with your crew, however you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch, control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist, so many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream, Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights, Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood, alone or just with your crew, however you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch, control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist, so many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream, Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights, Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood, alone or just with your crew, however you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch, control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist, so many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream, Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights, Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood, alone or just with your crew, however you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch, control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist, so many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream, Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia stream. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights, Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood, alone or just with your crew, however you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch, control streaming lights in real time, you can't resist. So many styles and colors, really you won't believe it. In person you gotta see it, I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need, time to get Lumia stream. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need, time to get Lumia stream. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch. Control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream. That's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need, time to get Lumia stream. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need, time to get Lumia stream. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook or Twitch. Control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream. That's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights. Lay back and cool tight, gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need, time to get Lumia stream. Lumia stream, that's what I like. Let it flow, time to take control of all the lights.
Hello. Welcome in, Blitz. Looks like music doesn't work anymore. I just did another update on the wavelength, and it looks like Spotify. Oh, it was muted. There we go. Good. Hopefully, we're not gonna get again like 10-15 crashes again. So, I'm gonna still work on the jar. We're gonna add multiple things to it today, and I want to also include TikTok gifts. And when I say I want to include TikTok gifts, I want to actually get all the visuals from all the gifts they have, and they have like about 1,300 images. So I don't know how to store all of those directly in the code. But we'll figure something out for sure. I want to figure something out. Let me search for something. I think it's in here. Yeah, so if I open this page over here, you're gonna see that I can load a lot of images. These are all the TikTok gifts that they can actually use, and I think I already counted out, and it was about 1,300 something. And I'll need to actually get all of the PNGs from here and store it into my place, and hopefully we can actually include all of those somewhere. Maybe I'm gonna just upload it to my website. I do have a domain. So these are all the current TikTok gifts. And if I go and try to count an element, which is this figure class, right? So if I go and grab the class and do a short counter, we can go by the actual figure. So this is the total number of it. 1,323 images. Different ones. So this will gonna be interesting how to actually get all of those. We have some messages over here. But how are you doing today, Blitz? Hope you're doing fine. I didn't start my printer out. There we go. Yeah, same IP. That's good. Good. So we started jar. This is the first jar, but I want the messages from Twitch to be a bit looking different. This is, I know that it has the Twitch logo inside there, but it doesn't, it's barely seeing the logo inside. So maybe I need to increase the logo size. Let's see if we do have here logo size. Let's test some messages. I can definitely see the logo size. Where's YouTube? Hello, YouTube. You did place the message. Am I currently connected to YouTube? Yeah, YouTube, it's live. So I can send messages. There you go, my bot sent the message. Yeah, I think we do have the issue with the bot. But it's not showing anything in here, so that's not gonna work for me. We still have that issue, it's reported. So let me actually remove the chat bot. Okay, what about now, YouTube? That didn't solve it. Oh, there we go. Okay, so YouTube now shows up over here. We can also send a message. And should show. Perfect. Good. So making the logo size bigger, it worked, but I don't know, should we keep just the black and white logos, or should we introduce like better logos? Let's go full size, let's see how that looks. Twitch just dropped. That's better viewable. For sure. Maybe I don't like that stroke. the white stroke. We placed also a white stroke around here.
What you think about when you're born into a fire? Let them burn it out. Sell them to the richest buyer. They wanna let the world decay.
Don't think we have it here. Okay. Select. That's fine. Stroke width. Looks like it's getting it from the overlay data. So that means it should be in here, the stroke width. I'm just blind and I'm not seeing it. Okay, let's search it because it's here. I don't see any stroke width. Maybe. It's in the data. Yeah, we have logo stroke width over here set to 4. I'm gonna set it to 0 and see how that works. It's not placed in the configs, so we cannot config that. Oh, it is there. Logo badge stroke. Okay. So it's logo badge stroke. Logo badge stroke. Okay, so it's here. That doesn't look bad, but I want to remove it completely. So let's edit this. Logo stroke, it's 0. Jonathan, how are you doing, buddy? Welcome in, welcome in. Welcome in. That kind of works with all the effects that we have in. Hey, how are you doing, buddy? We're creating a event jar, and we're gonna try to finish it today. And hide all the things and move it around where we want it to go. And this should get also donations, super chats, whatever. I just got the Golf Clash Golfing Simulator ad. I suppose you were playing already Golf Clash for a while now. Yeah, it's also counting also the messages. Also the messages will gonna come in here, and based on the platform, will gonna be different. And this one over here, it was on command alert. That's why it's a different one. It's a yellow. That's because we have basically commands. And I like the sizes of them are randomized, so they can be smaller or bigger. So not gonna be. Why this is not following my mouse? Okay, let me check in tools. Okay, zoom factor animation. Follow mouse when cursor is inside the capture region. Oh. He thinks it's on the right side, but it's on the left side. Okay, that's weird that I have to go on this side. Okay, I think I know the issue. So if I refresh and select... No, it's still not not counting over here. It's still counting when I'm moving on this side. This is definitely an issue. Maybe I have to choose the screen as well. Colorize, okay. Portrait canvas. Okay. So what about me changing it to something different? Then go back. Oh, I think I know why. Because this one, it's depending on the monitor, but it's only on the monitor where OBS is. So if I choose to actually change the location of the monitor, sorry for the infinity loop, guys. I want to see if I change it to this screen now. And I'm doing here, now it works fine. Okay. That's great. I just have to move the OBS to the other screen. That's fine. We can definitely do that. What's that clan world thing, Radu? Have you organized your clans and you'll be streaming it? I didn't. I think we are in a like a clan tournament or something like that, but I'm not gonna have time to actually compete in it at all. So I'm not gonna worry about it too much. So I'm gonna copy this URL over here. Oh, not here. And this one. Okay. So this is fine so far. We want actually to remove the stroke entirely. I don't think we need it. I mean, red with the logo. We're gonna check the logos. So let's actually go inside and check the logs. Okay, so it has different icons for all of them. I'm gonna try to find some different ones. Okay, so we have the Twitch logo. Let's actually place it. Copy this URL. Now let's try to add this one to Kick and save. Let's test. I don't know. Logo size it's big, right? Yeah, logo size is big, but it's not filling the entire thing. I do like the kick one better. I want this one to capture a bit more of the screen. Okay, so no stroke. Let's test again. Maybe I should have placed it one. No, that makes the entire thing having like the edge. So I guess that's just the filling. It's not the stroke around the logo. Body circles, friction density, render. Field style, color. Stroke style. So line width 2, 0. Let's see now. Oh, it creates here. This was for create platform ball. Cheer boat, spear, ensure image, get spawn point, platform, logs, drone, cheer mode body, draw platform, draw spawner. Rebuild world. Okay. Let's get Kicks logo first. It's a bit easier with the Kicks logo because over here I cannot give myself kicks, but we're gonna try to get a PNG files. Yeah, I cannot do that. Cannot get the kicks Have to go to a different streamer. Okay. And now channel points, and I have kicks. There we go. So hell yeah, hype, school emoji, full send, rage quit, back it up, yarp, pin 1 hour, pin 2 hours, and pin 5 hours. So stomp, flex, and boom. Good. Good. Let's actually go ahead and do that. So let's inspect. And 300 by 300 should be fine, right? I think that yeah. So this is the first one. It's a web app, WebP, which is fine. We can download. So let's actually go projects, Lumia jar. Okay, so over here, I'm gonna be hell yeah. And let's go hype. This is hype. I'm gonna be faster if I'm not trying to show you what I'm doing. I'll just gonna show over here that the images are getting populated. And these are animated as well, right? Like this one. No. Can I open with Chrome? Yeah, over here, for example, this is animated. Alright, good. But what about these ones? These are animated as well? Over here, well, definitely not going to be animated. But let's see in Chrome. Okay, some of them are not animated, but I think that's fine. Yeah, the first ones until 100 they're not animated, but after that, like rage quit, back it up, yup, stomp, flex. These are animated. And boom. There we go. Okay, so we know this ones. And we're gonna have to add them into our jar. Hey, how are we doing? Get them? So in order to do this, we're gonna have to do exactly like we did for Twitch, where it has these cheery mode tiers. We're gonna have to create a constant map as well, and we're gonna have to upload basically these things. So let's do a constant kicks. And then we're gonna be min kicks. And then I think 1 is for hell yeah, right? Yeah, 1 is hell yeah. I can remove the web P because we can add it after that. And I think that's pretty much it for one, right? So we can just copy this. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the next one, we're gonna be hype. Then we're gonna be school emoji. Then we're gonna be full send. We're gonna be rage quit. Then we're gonna be pack it up. Yup. Then we have stomp. Where is my stomp? Oh, there it is. So stomp. Then we have flex. Where's flex? There it is. I'm a bit blind. And then we have the boom for the last one. Okay, now we have to place the amount for each of them. So we know that this is 10. This is 50, 100. And this should be 500, right? 1000. Then we have 2000. 5000. 10,000. And of course 50,000. Okay, so we have also mapped the kicks. Now we're gonna have to upload all of these ones, and let's do it right now on Lumia. I'm gonna go to Asset Manager and we're gonna upload, and let's go to kick and let's select all of them. Open. Oh no, I cannot. I could upload it only 3 assets. Which are those? I think some of them, the WebP, it's not really supported. But how did we upload it free? So these are WebPs as well. Full send, hype, and skull emoji. But hell yeah was not uploaded. So how's this different? WebP. Oh, now that worked. Okay. Oh, the hype was working. So we had all the so 1, 2, and 3. But hell yeah didn't upload it. Okay, so let's see hell yeah. What's wrong with you? If this doesn't work, I need a space where I can actually upload all of them and get the path from them. So if this doesn't work, I think the best way and solution is to host it myself on my server. Don't really want to do that because I want to be on Lumia side in case my I decide to stop my hosting I don't want them to be lost. Let's check something. Check file type. And let's see why that didn't work. So what's with this one? Oh. So this one, type REFF, WebP image. Okay. What about you? What's the difference between you? Data WebP image. So there's nothing. Image WebP. So why this works and why that didn't work? They're all very small. These are a bit bigger. So the animation ones are still WebP. Yeah, the animations ones are still WebP, but they are not allowed to be uploaded. Okay. Hey, Arding Frag, welcome in, welcome in. Did I miss you? Or I'm not getting the messages from... Oh no, that was old, that was yesterday. It still shows the messages from yesterday. Okay. Okay, since that it doesn't work, I'll for now I'll host it on my end. So let me open my hosting plan. File manager. Ooh. Like in where'd you get the Kik images from? From Kik. I just went to Kik. And I'll show you. So I just went over here and then I right click them and then save image as for all of them, and then I just downloaded, and apparently it has also the animations included for the ones that contain animations. You cannot see the animations inside this thing by directly with Windows, but if I open with something different like Chrome, for example, you're gonna see that this is animated. Hopefully it's not gonna have the white around it. I think it's this one it's not actually using it right. Hopefully it's that case. So you just right click on those and download, and then you have all the web Ps over here. And now we're gonna try to host them on my server. So I'll need a folder over here. Please, new folder. Kik images. Feels lonely, not for long, buddy, because here's some files. There we go. Now, if I want to actually check them, I need to go to my tgradu.com/boom. No, because it's kick images, right? And then boom, there it goes. Okay, so now I can have the path for them, and they're hosted on my my own server. This is my website over here. I was playing Golf Clash for quite a while, and I dedicated like a way to calculate the wind with an application that I created. So, for example, 10 miles an hour with the power 10 ball with 10% elevation, and if my driver is APOC level 8, then the wind should be 10. Now I can see how many rings I have to adjust, and if I'm in between min and max, I can just use the slider to actually position where I want it to. So this is really helpful for that game, especially since different club levels have different accuracies, and there's the less accuracy, the less number of rings. It's yeah, and of course we are giving those users as well like guides. So over here, this is our guide on how to get the shootouts and position and how many what elevation to adjust for and everything like that. So yeah, it's really helpful for them. I was missing 2 of them from my alerts. Oh, nice. Okay, glad that I helped. So now I need to get them from here. Ooh. I got a message from Fiverr. Okay, so we're gonna actually place in the code directly the path for them, because it's I think it's better to just and rename name to path. And let's add .webp, and now we need the path for it, so it's tgradu.com/kick-images, and then the rest of it. I just wanted to add it for the events in the jar, so trying to do that. For droid not found. How are you doing? Welcome in. Magoo, Raul, my man, how the devil are you? Long time. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing well. How are you doing, Mr. Magoo? I'm trying to do like a jar over here. You see that we have a jar just above me on this point, and it's getting filled with any kind of events. Even messages are getting filled with them, and they have like different colors based on their platforms. And now we're trying to add like other things. So get cheer emote tires, bits, kick, min, bits. Okay, match. Alright. What language is this being written in? This is JavaScript, not Python. Ooh. Frag! You are sending me fake money. Okay. You didn't spill anywhere else, but I didn't place yet the images to come in, so give me a second. Give me a second. Okay, so basically we're gonna do exactly this thing. Instead of cheer emotes, we're gonna use our own kick emotes. Kicks. Okay. And then for I can just copy it. Except we're gonna use kicks, and here we're gonna be getting the kicks, and then tier min kicks. Pounds, how you doing? Welcome in. I think you are the person that I was talking on Fiverr. Sorry that I sent you here, but it's hard for me to also stream and also to help you over there. How you doing? So we have min kicks over here. I'm currently trying to create this jar that is listening to events and drops there based on the platform. And also, if I go ahead, well, I'm gonna show you afterwards after I'm finishing a bit. I'm gonna show you how it's looking when we get like bits. I want to do exactly the same thing when we are getting kicks, to have like the kick image, like full send or whatever they are sending, and to show in the jar over there. Maybe I need you after your stream. I'm too stupid for the simplest things today. What you are struggling with, Frag? I'm gonna be here just a day, since tomorrow I'll be off. I'm gonna visit my dad, and today was quite funny day, because my spring from the car broke, and I've been closely the entire day in the car service. To change those, it's almost made me do a car accident because of that. And tomorrow I'm going on the road with her, with the car. Okay, so we have min kicks and we have path. Okay, let's go back to our function. So, what do you want to do? L and N's. How should I call you? Should I call you your name from Sebastian? Sebastian is good, right? I'm not home right now, but I'll come back when I get there. Okay, so Sebastian, if you want, we can actually schedule a call and understand what you need, but I can certainly do a lot of things. For example, try to actually type in the chat exclamation smoke dash on, smoke minus on, and you're gonna see what we can actually do over here. It's not just some fancy lights that are going on my stream. There's a lot of gadgets that are currently attached to the stream. I think the smoke machine is still on. So if you type exclamation mark smoke dash on, you're gonna be able to trigger it. So instead of tier, yeah, we still have tier, right? Okay, and match tier, constant tier. Let me check what's in here. Tiers, but the tiers, it's not from there. Gmod tiers. So it does get the first one. Constant tier. Why this match? Match is assigned a value but never used. Oh, I didn't return it. Duh. And this one is not used. That's fine. Are we calling it over here? Because it will... So this one, it's called... I tried to set scene item enable for a few different scenes. Maybe it's not possible for me. Set scene item enable. You're referring to OBS, Frag? OBS action? Do you have OBS connected in the first place? Let me get out of that. So if you have OBS connected and you're setting up set scene item enable for your current scene, that's just for setting the... All right, wait, give me a second. I'm trying to understand what you're doing. So you have set scene item enable, and this is gonna actually activate and deactivate the source. So for example, I have my Lumia jar over there on the top, and if I set the scene, which is currently co-working, and this source, and if I set visibility off and I test it, then it disappears. If I set visibility on, the jar appears again, and now it's empty. So what's wrong with it? Do you have items inside like groups? Do you have sources that are inside the group that you're trying to activate and deactivate? Waiting for your answer, Frag. So, let me show you. In case you're having nothing is wrong with it, but I need to do this in 2 different scenes. Yeah, for example, if you have a camera group and you want to deactivate the, for example, one of this thing, if I want to deactivate the camera tracking over here, right? I don't even find it over here, okay? So I can copy it and place it over here. And if I try to set it to off, you're gonna see that it's not working, right? Because it is currently inside a group. If I copy the group name and place it inside, instead of the scene to place the group name, and then the source is camera tracking, then you're gonna see that my camera disappears and the camera appears again. So if you're using a group inside your sources, then use that group name as your scene, and then whatever is inside that group, use it as a source. So why not placing multiple actions with different scenes then? Now you're confusing me. Now you're getting me confused. You can set it up in one scene, yes. And for another scene, I need 2. Yes, just do another action. Do it in 2 different actions. One to set on one group, one to set on the other group for the same thing that you want to set, I guess. All right, back to my jar. We're wasting time and we don't have any. I want to actually finish at least kick part over here. Okay, so we're returning the cheer and kick emotes. Okay, and this one, it's used over here. Bits, tier emote, create cheer bits emote, and then it's creating a body for it. Okay, that's a bit too much. I'm gonna ask GPT to actually do that, and I'll say that let's go for kicks alert, right? And we have in our documentation, I think it's called amount. I think it's the same thing. So we have platform, blah, blah, blah. More. Username count, no, not here. Wait, it should be here. On chat data. Okay, on alert. I'm interested on alert. On alert. Input checkbox are supported fields. Config tab, no. On set variable, on call command, toasting. And here on alert, It has data. I want the data object. HFX virtual lights, overlay, blah, 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 data alert. And here we have amount. Good. So let's open GPT. And continue our conversation over here. Oh, perfect. We did receive the message. Did you already got banned automatically? No, you didn't. Bye. I love this feature. Okay, but first we will gonna go and save this thing and save and create a new version, right? Ah, crap, I forgot to copy the code. Forgot to copy the code. Now we can close it. Let's do a copy of it. We are jar free. Copy. I'm gonna definitely rename this one because I'm gonna start with jar version 3.3. Okay. I want to add also the kick images and kick web p images animations. Already mapped them in the constant and created the match function. Let's add them as bodies as well. Here is the updated code for JS. There we go. A lot of code. That's what I tried, but it only works on the first scene. I send you a screenshot in a minute. Yeah, if I have time to look at it, I will. Frag. If not, I'm gonna have to leave it for 2 weeks from now. Well, actually, no. Tomorrow I'm gonna be free as well. Tomorrow I'm definitely gonna be free as well. It's just Sunday I'm gonna be off. I thought for some reason that today it's Saturday, but it's not. This is Friday, baby. Why do I have an empty bottle on the back? Right. Did you finish the code, buddy? I think he did. My God. Added kick visual scale, kick body scale, kick base size, confirming reads. Added preload kicks. Added create kicks body. Added kicks amount. Fixed kick tier to use min kicks. Unified both Twitch cheer modes and Kick Web P under visual type DOM sprite updated. Okay, important note. This expects the alert to be exactly kick kicks. Yes, it is. If your actual Lumia key is different, change this line. No, it's not. It's kick kicks. Okay, perfect. Variable used. That's fine. Let's copy the code. Let's copy the code. Let's see if this works. If we added kick kicks as well. We already are at 830 lines. And we're going to be even more than that. And apparently overlay failed to load media. Kick images, hype. Why error to load media? Let me go on a preview to see what's wrong with that. Because we're gonna get some error messages. No, we didn't. Yeah, I know. What's wrong with this? Did I place the URL wrong? No. That's fine. Okay, what should be defined? What you define over here? Okay. Build cheer emote URL. I don't think we need get kick emote. Ensure media. Preload kick kicks. Ensure media. Fail to load media. Why? Okay. Well, let's actually test it out and see what's going on. Alert, kick, kicks. I'm gonna try to send a hype. That works. Yes. One, I'm gonna send. Hell yeah. And it's yeah, it works. Okay, 500. There they go. Also animated. 1000. Wow. I need to make them smaller because they're way too big now. Let's go. We added also kicks emotes for the jar. Let's go. Oh! Yeah, it does work. I just need to make them smaller. Hey, Rambo!
Rambo just subscribed with a tier 1 sub.
Thank you for the sub, Rambo. How are you doing, buddy? How was your stream? I saw you were live. I'm just collecting the fake money over here from Kicks. And we added I'm creating the jar and adding also the animated version for kicks bits as well. Now it's too full here to actually feel anything. The size of the kicks are a bit too big. So let's see where they are. Logo badge size. Logo size. Logo is fine. That's not what we need. Spawn spread, floor, mean wall. I don't think we have any way to actually modify this, and I think they are still 300 by 300. Got my girls this weekend. I'm good, not live today. Who was live if it wasn't you? I saw somebody on Kick platform. Oh, it was out of check. I usually don't have anybody inside Kick, and I saw somebody live, and I thought it was you. So let's go back to that question I placed on your stream. Did you said that you are going to the TwitchCon this year, or you're going to different cons but not TwitchCon? I don't know if I got that right. Oh, you're thinking about it. Yeah, I'm thinking about it as well. I know Cove will not gonna come because it's in Europe. Yeah, it's a busy month for me as well. So let's go back. Okay, we're gonna say this failed to load media, but it works. Failed to preload media. We're not gonna preload media. Hey, how are you doing, Pac-Man? What's this new Plinko? What do you mean? Yeah, well, if I want to go, I need about 700 for the hotel and the trip itself for the flight. And then I think I need another 1,000 for, you know, just doing stuff, plus the ticket for TwitchCon. Yeah, it is weekend for sure. Let me actually confront this guy. Ask our best model. Upgrade to unlock this model. I am already upgraded. Okay, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm with the 5.4 thinking. I'm not on pro. I'm fine with thinking. This works well, but we have an issue. We need to modify the size of the Kick images, WebP images, and also it's giving this error when it tries to preload. Well, not this one. But the images are showing fine when the alert is triggered. We can remove the preloading if it's not necessary. And we need to add in the configs and data the required fields. This is what we have now. Okay. No matter the version, is the same dog shit BBT. What do you mean? What do you mean there, Pac-Man? Yes, remove kick preloading and explicit kick size controls. What's happening is likely your TG router files are fine when used directly, image series C at alert time, but the manual preload path can fail because of how the server responds across origin image fetches. That's fine. DOM images can still display even when your preload error path is noisy. So the clean fix is stop preloading kick web amps, keep spamming them as DOM sprites, add kick visual body size controls in the config. Also, your current configs have a couple of duplicate order values that won't always break anything, but it's cleaner to fix. Thank you. Add the kick config reads. Okay. So kick visual scale. Okay, these are going into JS over here at the end, so I know what I did. What's wrong? Duplicate key, visual scale. Oh, we already have them. Where's the kick? Where are the kick? Kick visual scale. One, we already have those. Remove key pre. Okay, so render mug. We need to remove that from render mug. Where's the preload? Mug scale, mug image URL. Remove kick preload call. Change this. Oh, okay. I saw what you did there. This one needs to go. Remove preload function entirely. This is not used anymore anyway. Good. Fix the media preloader so it does not spawn preload errors. Ensure media. So I think it's just removing the preload from here. Base thread. Oh, sorry. This one. Good. Make sprite creation to use catch helper. Why you stopped? Okay, we need to use the helper, which is here. All right. Good. Keep this kick size helper. This is the correct and should stay. Kick base, visual scale, that's fine. Config add-ons. I need to add these configs. (32, 33, 34). 32, 33, 34. But we already have 32, 34. Right after Twitch cheer control, so they stay grouped. Okay, I see field threshold over here, max active bodies, and slider. I don't see the bits it's 31. Oh, okay, so over here after this one. Okay. And the data part, and I think we are done. Okay, so now we should be able, if I save it, it saves over there as well. No, this is a different one. Oof. Give me a second because I didn't modify that. Frag, I didn't modify it. I just added the option to make them smaller, but they're still way bigger than what I want it to be. So give me a second. Bounce surface logo size. Further up, further up, further up. Cheer modes, bits cheer modes. Team. Wall thickness, bits cheer modes. Font, kick base size. Okay. Kick base size will gonna be a lot smaller. Kick visual scale. Okay, let me emulate. I think that's a bit too small. Let's go with 75 maybe. I think that's looking good, right? We have a stomp over there. And if we do another stomp, based on how they rotate there, that works nice. Where do the images get set? Is that in the code? Yes. The images are coming from the code. So because I couldn't add them to WebP, the WebP to upload all of them. Unfortunately, this one that are animated are not being able to upload. I actually added them to my own server, so you're gonna see here tgradu.com, and then kick images, and then all the WebP files. So it's stored on my my hosting. And then I created a map to actually place them on when they were gonna be shown. And if I want to go for the boom now, for the highest one, which is 50,000, they're gonna go. Now have a explosion over there. Okay, so I think we're done with kick. Like, only if you want to add something else, maybe. Question: should we add, instead of this small avatar on the message, to be basically the avatar that's the user that sends? Or it's fine just to be the platform logo? Because we can place the avatar from the actual username that sent the message. Instead of just this purple ball, right? Okay, let's see how we're gonna do that. So we have purple, green, blue, red for bits, but we need to get on the alert itself. Load script on. Where is that? Oh my god, we wrote so much code. Now we lost where we are sending it. No scrambling promise, blah blah blah. No. Control find chat, overlay on chat, spawn from chat, and then it gets the data. Okay, and spawn from chat, this is gonna get the platform, which is getting platform, and then create platform bowl, which is here. And then based on the platform, we're gonna take the logo URL from the platform logo map. So instead for using from this point, we're getting just platform over here. So we need to go a bit further back. So if it's not an alert, it's create platform from spawn from alert, unknown alert, and this is gonna spawn from chat, create platform bowl. We don't want to create a platform bowl, and here we're just gonna say we're sending just the platform, unfortunately. Create platform bowl, we're gonna send also the data. You know what, we'll send data as well. Platform data, and this one we're gonna get also data. And now from the data we can get data avatar, right? I think it's data avatar. I mean, triple check. So from data, avatar, it's data avatar. Okay, good. So we're gonna say data dot avatar or platform logo map platform or null. And let's save and send a message. Let's see if it's getting your Pac-Man there. Okay, still gonna be a purple bowl, but I want to see if I can grab your logo. No, it's just a purple bowl. It didn't capture the avatar correctly. So let me go back. Spawn from chat, data. Platform, it's get platform data. And data, it's placed over here. And the data, it's actually sent afterwards over here. And this one, it did find the logo URL. Give me a second. This is getting interesting. So it did definitely found this one. So platform logo map. Let me see what we're doing in the platform logo map. Hello, where's my platform logo map? Platform logo map, it's storage, and it goes to storage Lumia stream overlays. Let me see something. Toast. Logo URL. Okay, please send a message. I want to see the logo URL if it's actually grabbing it. Add jail. Okay, so we did get this thing here. We are getting the URL of the logo. So what's the difference then? why it's not showing. Two. Hype, full send. Which one? So hype, full send, and skull emoji. Okay, created a ticket for that. Got a message in Discord. Need to keep one eye on Discord. Jump to present. Hey, Al, trying to connect Lumia to TikTok. I've used both. Link on the bottom, it shows logged in successfully on the browser. Nothing happens in Lumia. Refresh the page after it was loaded. Oh. That worked. Email. Okay. Good. Why the avatar doesn't work? Why the avatar doesn't work? Miss it did. Ticket for what? I was in Agile. You don't have to worry about it. It was a thing to add. Yeah, I'm getting your avatar here, but I think it doesn't load it. Okay, let me try to ask GPT to actually add it. Oh, your first brief is here. Check out and send an offer. What? Combine, integrate my current OBS browser sources multiple into one stream element source. Scope of work. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to be added through their overlay editor. I have several browser sources I'm looking to condense into one with this on one condition. They need to follow the current size layout that they are currently for me on OBS. Don't use stream elements. Yeah, that's definitely the issue. Now I have a profile on Fiverr and I'm getting like offers to for orders. Let's move it a step forward. Instead of using the logo from the platforms, when we get a message, let's get the avatar of the user. Keep the ball color from the sender's platform, and to get the logo URL for them, we need to access the data.avatar in order to do so. Update the JS, keeping the balls random sizes. Okay, let's see if that will work. Okay, we can update right now the one that is currently sitting on the top. Let's save this one, and we're gonna create a new one, 3.3.1. So this URL can go to production. Production, it's the stream, okay? That's production. That's currently production. And I'm gonna close this one, and let's do a copy and made a 3.3.1. Stream Elements out here doing its own thing again, huh? Gotta love that unpredictable energy. Now I got money everywhere. Yeah, the bits works, the kicks works as well. If I do like this amount of kicks, you're gonna see that it's dropping there. All including the animation of it. Come on, ball, stop moving. Just find your location. And now I want to actually place the ball to have the color of the platform, like purple for Twitch, red for YouTube, and green for Kick, but as well inside to actually have the avatar of the user that sends the message. Okay, my desk is cleaned again. Well, I'm seeing the URL of your PNG, but I don't know why I didn't place it. Maybe I missed somewhere. Also from why it's so big for Kick. Okay. Let's see the updated variable inventory. Oh, it placed all the JavaScript. I removed something on my side. Okay, platform logo map. It's still using those. And on chat. Might be a size issue. I don't think so. It was resizing my PNGs for the platforms as well, so that's fine. Alert. Where's the on chat? On chat. Draw ball, spawn, enforce body limit, load script. I don't see it. Okay, we'll kind of check it out. No, this is the 3.3.1. Save. All right, send a message. Oh, COVID's there, small, but he's there. There you go. Yeah, I'm sure I'm using GPT 5.4. So the balls are random sizes and also contains logo inside. Maybe I should make the logo a bit bigger and less on that. Can somebody try it on Kick as well to see if that works as well? Or I have the same issue where I'm not gonna see the avatar. Ooh, here goes the hype. Inside. Thank you for the hype. Send a regular message, Leakin. I'm gonna call you Gun. Can you send a normal message, Gun? Or I can just say test. Oh, there it is. That's my logo as well. Gun, it's fine with you? Perfect. On your side, though, I don't see your avatar. Is there other way to get the avatar cove except the variable from the data avatar from Kick? Because that it's not coming in. I know that mine it's coming in, but oh no, look at Frag. How the heck Frag has an avatar and Gun doesn't? Gun, send another message. Oh, thank you for the cheer. I got a cheer from. I just saw the alert, but I didn't saw anything. We got a cheer? No, we didn't. Alright, that's fine. Okay, I just want to make the ball size bigger. Not the ball size bigger, the avatar bigger and less less on the ball. I think there is a place. I already placed, I think, the logo to be max sized. Let me double check that. Logo size, yeah, logo size, it's max size. I can make it smaller, but not bigger than this. Logo badge size. Let me actually make this one bigger. And test now. I don't think that's making it bigger. No. The small one just dropped. I need to make the wall a bit bigger. Yeah, this is just the white around it, I guess. I know, that's definitely the size of it. Because now it's just very small. Okay. Size of... Oh, the avatar, it's about 1/2 of the total ball diameter. Can we make the avatar to be 80% of the diameter? Let's try this one. Now, on your side, you're just coming a ball without any logo on Kick. This is weird. I think if I search for you in the loyalty points, I'll find you without an avatar. Yeah, see? You are here without any avatar. Yeah, you are invisible. I'll try to actually remove your points. Well, remove everything from here, and then I'm gonna add you 1,300 points back. So let me do that. So I'm waiting for you to get points, and I'm gonna add you back. I hope that if you send a message now, you're gonna get some points, and then I'm gonna capture your avatar as well. I see it in the Lumia link chat, but I'm not seeing it in here or inside the Lumia loyalty points. That person didn't have an avatar? It shows an avatar on my side on Lumia link. Maybe it doesn't show on my stream either. Let me double check. No, it definitely has an avatar when I check on Kick. Yeah, your avatar is there. I just want to make it the diameter of the logo bigger. Let's see what he cooked. Since the ball diameter, it's body circle radius multiplied by 2. 80% of that we're gonna be multiplied by 1.6. So your current code uses logo scale. Okay, so it's doing multiply by the logo scale. Body, circle, radius, config, logo scale. I think it just needs to be modified in the configs. So configs, logo scale, and this is max 1. Let's make it max 2. Okay, what else? Replace your drawable image to make it 0.8 and radius 1.6. Badge radius 0.8. Well, let's... So why do we need so badge size and badge radius? So we need a logo badge scale as well to go max to 2 over here in that case. Okay, let's see if that works. And we're gonna change directly inside here because it's better. So logo size. Logo size, I think it's fine to be 1, right? It just tells me to make it. Yeah, that looks better. And this one to be 1.6. Now let's test. Okay, it makes the badge size bigger. So if I make this 1.6 as well, can I get a bigger ball, please? There we go. That's a lot better, right? Just a 20%. So I can actually make it to go...
It's _just_Licken is now following your Twitch channel.
Oh, thank you for the follow on Twitch as well. Okay, that's just like perfect, right? So I made the placeholder for it, and here you're gonna have a logo for sure. Yeah, that's looking a lot better. So you have purple for Kick, for Twitch. Oh my god. I'm filled with fake money again, Cove. Okay, so why is AI Alicia so big? Because your logo, it doesn't fill the entire size of the allowed size. You are referring why the ball is so big for Alicia? It's because I do have a randomizer between the balls. I have where is it? I have a minimum ball scale and a maximum ball scale over here. Minimum ball radius and maximum ball radius. And based on your chance, you can be smaller or bigger. Would be cool with the length of the text changes the size. Yeah. Well, now it looks good on over here. Gun. No. It's just a randomizer to not have like the same shapes. See, this one it's a lot bigger now. Avatar worked on here. Yeah, it does work on Twitch always. I don't know on Kick why it doesn't show. See, on your side on Kick it doesn't show. For whatever reason. I don't know the reason. We're just gonna show a green bubble. Okay, so we got that. So we got the bits, we got the kicks. Do we want to get all the super chats from YouTube as well? Because YouTube avatar, it's already done. If I go test, we're gonna see also the logo from YouTube coming in here as well. That's great. So we just need 4 super chats, I guess, because we did added the kicks and the bits. Super chats are annoying because there are a lot of them. List of YouTube super stickers. Super chats are, you know, the same thing. List of YouTube stickers with images. YouTube super sticker list in JSON. Access to the active list of emojis at. Okay, so biggest fan, Blush, V2, biggest fans, BRB. These are the names, I guess. And then it has the, well, I like this. Template, YouTube, GG, pth.com, sticker ID, which is this one. Okay. That's perfect. So we're gonna have to test the YouTube super stickers again. Well, not again. Do we get the name of the YouTube super stickers cove in our data? Did I tell you how much I miss to be able to see everything inside inside the console, inside the debugger, the developer tools? Now, since it's blocked, I understand why it's blocked, but I still missed it. At jail. Get a subscription, Pac-Man. Or get Turbo, I guess. Okay, let's ask him to add them. But first, where do we get them from? So here we get the data alert, username, amount, avatar, Twitch subscriber. Okay. Yeah, I wanted to see all the data object. Do we have data object? Data storage options in custom overlays. Data tab. No, that's not what we need. What it does, event handling. Overlay data. Okay, toast. Local storage. Config tab. I think we have exactly the same thing inside our, on the other side. I think we need to actually show the data object. Exactly what it contains. Yeah, because it's not here. Oh, he sent it? Oh, but I had the list over here. I have the list over here. So I already have them mapped. I don't need to do anything, and I also have the path for the actual to get it. Yeah, but on its data and that what? That ID, that I know it's in the data object, but I don't know actually where in the data object. That's why I asked. So I want to see what's inside the data. So we have extra settings. It's in the extra settings, or it's in the dynamic. No, that's the amount. I'm checking in the wrong place. How? Okay. My bad. Super sticker. It's data sticker ID. So this is the data, right? Okay, good. Now we have all the details to actually send to GPT to actually create it for us. Let's data extra settings and then sticker ID. Okay, but where it? Yeah, we need to map the data into a tree to actually know exactly where it is. Can we do that? Because I don't know if somebody was searching for that, I don't think he would find it. Alert types, value of the sticker purchase. Oh, wait a second. Maybe it's here. YouTube super sticker. Value amount. Yeah, it's not here. And overlay types. Yeah, it's the same thing. Yeah, sure. I'll definitely gonna give you an example. But that's what I needed. Data, extra settings, sticker ID. Okay. So if I go with object yum, let's actually try to see if it works. Let's copy this thing, place it inside here, and we're gonna replace the sticker ID with this one, a random one. Okay, and we just need a slash, and this is 2 slashes. No. I did something wrong here. That doesn't seem to work. Maybe it's this one instead. It's not the sticker ID. Might be this. Yeah. So good. So this is the name. This is the sticker ID that we're gonna get, and then we're gonna place the, based on that sticker ID, the value. All right. So that works. Good. And the alert, it's super sticker, right? YouTube. Just want to make double sure. YouTube super sticker. Lowercase sticker. It was which one? Good. Neo, welcome. Thank you for good luck. We don't really need luck over here, but thank you. We're creating a jar to be used on stream, and I'm trying to add a lot more functionalities to it based on multi-platforms, and it's getting there. It's getting there. As you can see, the versions from the one that is currently showing on the top of the screen, that was the previous version with just colors based on the platform. And now we added also their avatar and also the surrounding color based on the platform the message was sent from. And this is you. The ball sizes are random, so that's why some of them are smaller, some of them are bigger, but it's just there to make it happen. And this is actually some bits that we received. And now it works with kicks as well. And we are just adding all the super chats at the same time. And then maybe we can find a full list of TikTok gifts. There's so many on TikTok. Right now it's about 1,300 different gifts on TikTok. So those were gonna be hard to map and also store. Hope we're gonna find something official on their side, so we can actually grab all of them without having us to store them. That's gonna be great if I'm gonna find that. But yeah, for example, if somebody gifts kicks right now, the kicks will gonna drop. And based on the luck, the orientation of the kicks can be upside down, because why not? And after we're finishing all of that, we're gonna create different kind of shapes for different mugs that you're gonna be able to select from here. And I don't know if I should leave all these settings, because these are basically for me to actually just modify and play around with it until I'm thinking that it's good like this. But maybe it's good to just leave just a few options over there. So as you can see, I have all the colors over here based on their platform. And yeah, yellow, it's only of unknown platform color, which is basically not Trovo, Facebook, TikTok, Kick, YouTube, or Twitch. And this lines over here, that delimiters, it's just because I have a checkbox placed for the show collisions. Now they disappear if I want to. Hey, what's up, Cam? I think you're gonna be happy with that, because I've added not just a normal color, but I placed also their logos to come in when they are chatting. And based on their platform, it's just having like a contour of the ball of their particular platform. And in the center, it's their logo. So yeah, I'm hope you can try out with kicks as well, and also bits, because those are added, and now we're adding super chats as well. And I'm thinking to add also TikTok gifts. Okay, let's see if this list with all the super chats from YouTube, it's done. So add configs. Okay, so we need to add visuals for it. That's fine. This is 3.3.1. We're gonna save and we're gonna make 3.3.2, because you know me, I like to have different versions. This one, we're gonna go into production. Production means we're gonna be placed inside on the stream over there on the top. So now this is a new version. And we're gonna close it, and we're gonna duplicate it. Versioning control inside Lumia stream. I love it. So now it's 3.3.2. So we need to add YouTube as well. Oh, not this one. There they go. Now I have YouTube. And then add this sticker list URL and map. Oh, I thought you were gonna place all the map over here, but that's fine. I just gave him the list over here. I don't want it to, in case it goes away, I don't want it to be there. I want it to be inside the code, hosted on our side. Can I actually download this? I can just save it in JSON. But this is just list. And also a template. Okay, let's try it over there, but I'll definitely save it on my side. Lumia jar, new folder, super YouTube. JSON. Super chat list. All right. So we have it stored at least locally. Good. Okay, so he wants to create the map. And we're gonna add it over here, near the other maps, of course. And then load the sticker map on startup. I don't know why it used a wait over there, to be honest. YouTube sticker map, it's not... What? Oh, we didn't create it... Oh no, we did. Load... Oh, we didn't create a function for it. But where's the function? Hey, you forgot the function, buddy. So, add configs to read, add these stickers to URL and map. Yeah. YouTube sticker map. New map. And then load. Where you get the load from? Oh, here you are. Okay. My bad. Sorry. I was like, you didn't give me the map yet. Definitely didn't place it in order. So now we need to add the YouTube super sticker. Right over here. Yeah, you don't have that yet. So add YouTube's helper. Helpers. Oh my god. You got some helpers, buddy. I'll tell you that. The helpers are bigger than the everything else. Okay. Config additions 36, 37, 38. Good. Okay, and we need the data as well. Let's save it. And now let's test YouTube super chats. Super chat, super stickers. Why I'm saying always super chat. Super sticker. Darn. Oh, there you go. Beaming face. I don't think they are working properly now because I cannot send any super stickers because they do not have a name over here, an ID. I think when I'm emulating them, they don't have. Can somebody go on YouTube and send me a super sticker, please? Pretty please. Oh, it's 13th of March. I think I have something. At least I always forget to give the free memberships on YouTube. I usually don't forget, but no, on YouTube. Let's do that now. There you go. Send 5 gifted members over there. And I'm getting a lot of guys. Ow! Am I getting punished by myself? Those are free! Ow!
At Kiege Radu gifted 5 silver members to at Wayfakpur, at GC Mike 1, at Keith Anderson 7405, at Berno 136, at Lucas Bradeen 2682.
Okay, and I can gift 5 more. There you go. I'm gonna get punished by another 10 balls. Oh, Sidix, Frank, Jeff. Ow. Alright. They're so random flying.
At Kiege Radu gifted 5 silver members to at B4Y, at C Dix, at Frankwood 4802, at Jeffrey Wayne 513, at Indian Avengers 1846.
Okay. Good. So, can somebody send me a super chat, please? On YouTube. The cheapest one. Find the cheapest one. I don't care. I just want to see if it works. The problem is I cannot add it. Okay. Good. So we're not able to test it because on our emulation it doesn't actually have the IDs over here. It should show up when we are actually receiving a super chat, but we currently have none, so we're not going to be able to test it, except if we do found one in our event list. Let me filter by YouTube. And did we received a super sticker? We received a super chat. That will not gonna help. Where are the super stickers? Super chat, super chats. Super sticker. Money mouth face. 5 months ago. My god. Okay, I don't know if this will gonna work since it's so old. Let me actually try it. No. That didn't work. Okay, let me do something. Let me do something. JS. Super sticker. Okay, so it's getting the list over here. Super sticker map. Fetch. Load. Okay. ID and image URL. Okay, and if you got it, entry URL, image URL path. What are you doing there? Okay. Response okay. Let's see. Response not okay. Send me a toast. It's not in URL, image URL, or path. Okay, so I don't know how you're getting it. So await fetch. You're fetching everything. Sticker list response status. Okay, so if it's not okay, it'll gonna be okay. It's gonna be response JSON, but what do you want? Unreachable code. What do you mean unreachable code? Oh, because it's already throwing the error and we're gonna stop. Okay, that's fine. And here I want the image URL. I want the image URL to be shown after this point. Show me the image URL. Show me. Failed to load super sticker map, reference image URL, it's not defined. Oh, shut up. Yeah, because I placed it here and it's outside, so it's not gonna show. Okay, we're gonna place it inside the else. So either there, either here, show the image URL. Okay. There's nothing. Because it's stupid. He mapped it the wrong way. There is not. This is not the way to get it, because it's not URL, it's not image URL, and it's not path. Because the JSON file contains a list. Inside the list, it's 2 elements, first and second. First is the ID, second is the second one. Okay, maybe now he'll understand how the... I don't think he even checked it out. He didn't even check it out. Oh yeah, you modified the load YouTube sticker map now? Fucker. I hate when it's wrong. And I hate to find his mistakes inside here. All this bullshit was bullshit. But we didn't lost so much time on it. We found it pretty fast, I would say. Sticker return null. Get map null. Okay. Anything else that I need to modify? Here, hopefully we resolve it. Download the JSON and build, which is the correct sticker image URL. I hope. I pray you're right. Okay. Reload. No, not super chat. Super sticker. There we go. Nothing happens. Okay, what emergency deployment you need for this jar? I'm almost done with my work. Emergency deployment. I don't think I need any, and can help you. I don't think you. I think I have all the tools. The only thing that I would need is that tree map of the data object from overlay on chat or overlay on alerts. But that's it. But it's not urgent. Yeah, I'll send you one right now if you want to. What I mean. All right, I'll search and send you something. But oh, did somebody send me a super sticker? How the heck this came in? Did I just receive the super sticker? Or this finally popped in out of nowhere? Hello? That's definitely a super sticker. Super sticker, it's present. But who sent it? Because nobody sent it. So that worked out of the alert from here? From the event list? Okay, super sticker. So super sticker worth free. Okay, 10 months ago. Let's check it. I don't know if it's... I have money mouth. Okay, I replayed that a couple of times. Oh, do I have the super sticker alert in the first place? Oh, I received the 100 just now, but nothing happened. Okay, that's fine. I'll try to see why not and why this one came in, because that's exactly what I was testing. but I don't know how he popped in there. And I didn't do anything. That's weird. Yeah, I sent 1, 2, 3, 4. But I sent before as well. And just one came in. Maybe it's not listening to... Oh, what the heck I did. I did Control Z. That's fine. So, super sticker. Create your super sticker data. And it's getting the ID. Super sticker equals the data. URL, it's the ID. I don't think it's creating it right. How many more lights do you think before the lights cost more to run than the PC? I still have lights that I didn't even opened, Stinky Man. So I don't think I have more room unless I'm remodeling everything in my room over here. I have like... Look. It's not even removed from here. It's still in the box. And I think I have 3 more. So how do you control all of these Home Assistant? No, this is Lumia Stream. But day to day, but they're just closed. I'm not using them when I'm not streaming. Basically, all my lights are off, and then I'm having just the key light over here that I'm controlling for my desk work, and that's it. I don't need all the lights to be open when I'm doing stuff, because they're not just you know, power consumption. It's also how's it called? It's also producing heat in the room, and you can definitely get so much heat in the room that you're not going to be able to stand anymore over here. And that's why I have also an air conditioning on the top. So I don't use Home Assistant. I don't use anything of that. I just use Lumia to control them. If I want to control something, I'm usually having my computer open. And like I said, day to day, it's they're usually closed. Okay, so this one over here, when we get the YouTube Super Sticker, we're getting the data. The data, the sticker ID goes to get YouTube Super Sticker ID, and this one, get YouTube Super Sticker ID, is going to candidates extra sticker ID. No, this is wrong. This is so wrong. That's why it doesn't work. No wonder. So it's extra settings in the first. Oh, it's already data extra settings. Okay. And then it's sticker ID, which is this. Extra sticker ID. Data sticker ID. Okay, so it definitely gets one. Value of candidates, type of string, and value return value. Otherwise, return null. Okay, let's do a toast over here. Actually, not here. Inside the loop. Okay. That should actually make it work. Let's replay that that event. And I didn't receive anything. Okay, sticker mount didn't trigger anything. Do we have alerts for YouTube super stickers? Of course not. Why should we have an alert for super stickers turned on? And neither for super chats I didn't have. Oh no, that was session. Oh, my bad. Session super stickers, no. Super chat, it's on. Super sticker, it's on as well. Okay, so they were on, so they should actual trigger. Okay, but we didn't receive anything, so this one doesn't do anything. If I go here, YouTube super sticker, it just plays YouTube. And I see emoji laughing. Okay, there's still something in the code that we need to fix. Okay, we're getting that. We're definitely getting that. Let me try to redo it multiple times. Let's see what happens. So this one with the money mouth face, it worked. Once. I saw that it played once. But now it doesn't want to do it. So let's see if it gets the alert first. Let's go baby steps. So alert, YouTube super sticker, toast. We're doing Russian style. Got the alert. Okay. So let's do it again. It doesn't get the alert. Hello. What are you doing? Why you're not getting the alert? So why the super sticker didn't go through? Documentation. Oh, types, sorry. YouTube, super subscriber, YouTube, super chats, and super sticker. So this is the alert you should looking for, buddy. Okay, and I'll copy also the super chat because maybe it's also related. And let's go over here. YouTube super sticker. It's there. But it didn't went here. Okay, let's do for alert. YouTube super chat as well. But it didn't create even the ball either. So spawn alert data. This was not. Overlay on. Config spawn burst. Okay. And then it spawned from alert. Let's do another toast. Alert received. Save. Let's do that again. I'm not seeing it over here. Wow. Okay, let's get this recent one. So that's not working, but if I do like a like, no. If I emulate here, does the other one actually gets an alert when we are doing that? So when we do this, the other one doesn't get an alert either. I might think that YouTube is not responding right now. Let's see. YouTube test. No, YouTube is there. So that worked. And if I go on super sticker and test, then that goes on. So got the alert, emoji beaming face. So when I test it, it's doing it. Give me a second. Variation. Super sticker, it's equal to peer character rolling on the floor laughing. Oh, I think I know why.
Lumia stream just sent a super sticker with P effect under.
There's something happening with this YouTube. We might actually found a bug, but I just want to see it. Maybe it's because, yeah, I think that's the reason. Done. Complete and save. Refresh. Now let's go into the. If this was the reason, then we have a bug. A small bug. You guys will not gonna experience, but I am, because I tried something. There he goes. Oh, why? Freaking reaction called flash that I removed. Okay. Okay, so that's let's test all the other ones. So we have Jackie that sent something else. I think these are super stickers, very old that we didn't even stored from last year. Okay, but all the other ones that were like money mouth, like this one, should still go. Wait, what? No, Cove doesn't work either. Did I save that alert? Twitch, YouTube, super sticker, reaction. Let's do no light change. Done. Complete and save. Refresh. Let's go back. Event list. No. Maybe it's stuck. Maybe it's stuck somewhere in the queue. Oh yeah, they are stuck in the queue. There are so many stuck in the queue. Okay, clear cache, clear list. Okay, event list. Cove. Place the 100. Bam. Then where's the other super sticker? Money mouth face super sticker. Run into an error with custom code. Failed to fetch. Oh, we have some code inside that blocks it. That's why it showed just once, because it stops into the queue. Because I have some stupid code over there on the super sticker. What code I have? Oh my god, yes. Found it. Found issue. Done. Complete and save. Okay, found that issue. The queue is cleared. Let's test it again, but I think it will gonna work now. 100%. I'm 100% now. Event list. So again, Cove 100.
Cove just sent a super sticker with 0.9.
There we go. Good. And now we're gonna go with the other one, which is Money Mouth.
Tiege Radu just sent a super sticker with 1.1.
And these are very old ones, but I don't think they're gonna show
Jackie
anything.
Einhaus just sent a super sticker with 3.
Yeah, those are very old. We were not saving the ID before that, but now we do, so now it's gonna work. Good. Yes. Now the only thing that we need to do is to make them a lot smaller. So like we did for the other ones with where is it? YouTube sticker visual scale, collision size, bounce, visual scale, base scale. Okay, base scale. All of your web as are uploading for me in Overlay Asset Manager. I tried it. Look, I'm gonna try it again. So right now I have just this three. And if I go and just play Hell Yeah. Uploaded, request failed, status 422. Do I have it again? Don't think so. And if I go for the yup. Oh, no. It tried and then it goes again, failed with status 422. From the overlay. Yeah, the only one that works is full send, hype, and skull emoji from all that list. No, I placed all of them in the ticket. I said that only hype, skull emoji, and full send doesn't work. Works. The other ones doesn't. At first, I thought that they are because the other ones are animated, but also hell yeah, it's not animated and still doesn't work. So these 3 worked fine, but the other 7 didn't. Okay, we definitely need to make them scale down. Scale the shit down. Base size 75 should be fine. Let's try it again.
At a Hat Cove just sent a super sticker with 0.9. At a Hat Cove just sent a super sticker with 0.9.
And let's test this one as well.
Chiege Radu just sent a super sticker with 1.15.
Okay. Why are you stopping your TTS, buddy? Super sticker. TTS, wait to finish. Okay, complete and save. Thank you. Good. So we have those set as well. And we should make it even smaller than that, I think. Oh, well, no. No, that's good. So we have Kicks, we have Twitch, we have YouTube super chats, super stickers, super chats. What happens when we do a super chat? Super chat. Ow. Okay. How many? I'm trying to catch you. What? It's not stopping. Alright. What the hell I did there? Amount. Oh my god. Yeah, I think it sent $100 as a test. That's fine. We're just gonna clear the queue. Default. Okay. Oh, come on. I cannot make it stop. Yeah, it's still placing in the queue over there. Yeah, my bowls are empty because I tested an alert for a donation, and Lumia went with 100, and I played for each dollar to actually throw a ball. So it was in an infinite loop, and it still is right now. Yes. From the code as well. I know that's on me. I know. But I wanted to do like get the amount and then divide it and then place it into a loop and then just go until the loop is over. So yeah, that's what it's doing right now. And yeah, it's still doing it. We're gonna finish in at one point because yeah, Lumia stream sent $100 as a alert. That's fine. Yeah, it's still doing it. Well, I know a solution for it. I can close Lumia and reopen it. Give me 1 second. Okay, that should fix it. Good. Yeah, nothing in the queue. Perfect. Perfect. Let's go back into our overlays. Hopefully he did manage to save it. If not, it'll be fine. I know the issue. Event list. Test.
Hat Cove just sent a super sticker with 0.99.
Oh, the only thing that it didn't say it was the size of the YouTube super sticker. Base scale. Okay.
Hat Cove just sent a super sticker with 0.99.
Love it. Okay. That works like a charm. That's brilliant. Okay, the version 3.3.2 it's ready. Should we add TikTok now, or should we actually? I think we're gonna run out of time if we want to actually also add TikTok today for all the 1,300, because I still need to find a way to actually get all of those. I'm gonna make this one alpha version. I know that it's called jar 3.3.2. It's just because it's my 3.3.2. I'm gonna be Lumia jar. I'll add the other mugs later. There's so much configuration over here. What I wanted to do is actually place different mugs or different glasses, and then to map the walls and everything.
Ahadkov is the first chatter and has been first 20 times.
It will allow to go in. Look, let's spam it. Yeah. Well, just gonna overflow. It'll just gonna overflow. Yeah, it'll gonna overflow. I think because but when it's overflowing, the elements that are going below the canvas, they're actually removed from completely, so they are not actually holding memory. Because I was having a memory leak there, and I had to do that. because all the elements were just, even if they were falling, they were still falling, and all the physics were still applied while they were falling, and it was just crashing at one point. Yes, it was falling forever on negative scale. And it was annoying. Yeah. So now as soon as they go below the element, it's removed, so that's fine. We're not gonna reach with that issue. But yeah, now they can play around with it. They can also change their mug from here, and they can show the collision bounds to actually see the walls where I placed them. They can move them around. They can change the angles of the walls as well. I placed that, so if the mug it's not perfectly straight, they can modify that. Even the base can be modified. I know that we're gonna be more complex mugs, and I'm thinking can we add a possibility to add? I think I can, to have a button over here, and then when I click it to actually introduce me another config, which will gonna place me another bar that I can modify, and then they can place it smaller to make like a round shape or something like that, so they can play around even more with it. But yeah, was a really nice. It's a really nice project. So let me rename this one to Lumia jar, and this will gonna be the version 1 on the marketplace, and without the show collision bounds. Let's say it like that, and we're just gonna share. Did I said something wrong? There we go. See, it wasn't that hard. Good. Okay, make it public. I'll lock the custom code for now. because I have my website over there as well for the kicks, because I host it on my website, and we're gonna be updated on when we can upload the web V. Next, I think we have it in downloads. You know what? We're not gonna do that. 1280. Create me 1280 by 720 image for our Lumia stream jar. Let's see. Well, he's gonna do a lot better than what I can upload right now. It is prompt for an image generator background. Cleaner for asset version. Is this variation? Okay, that one. Hey, welcome back, Frag. I think we're done with the jar. I think we're done with the jar. I'm just waiting for image generation, and we'll have the first version. I guess a lot of people will gonna love it. I try to do my best over there. I will add TikTok as well to be supported. I know that there's a lot of TikTok users that are using Lumia Stream, and that will gonna be nice to have, like, to go into the jar all the types of the gifts that they are receiving. Fixed web uploads. I was trying to optimize and failed. Now it'll upload even if optimization failed. Oh, okay. What are you doing? You're not doing anything. Are you going to generate that image for me? Or not? What we was waiting for? Not in this chat environment. I can write the exact prompt, but you have the image generation tool available here to produce the file. I do not have the image generation tool available here to produce the file myself. Oh my god, okay. Okay. Hey, Tango, how you doing, buddy? Not too bad, not too bad. Hope you like my jar. Now we have logos that are coming in as chat messages. We have bits that are showing in as animated. We have kicks that are showing in as animated. We have super chats that are going in with the super chats as animated as well. So if I trigger right now, this one, for example.
At a Hat Cove just sent a super sticker with 0.99.
And another one that it's around here.
Chege Radu just sent a super sticker with 1.15.
And also for kicks and bits and everything, it's just gonna go into the jar. Every single message we're gonna show their avatar surrounded by the platform color. Yeah, you're gonna have a red ball with your avatar in the middle as well. And for kick as well, it's with just a green. Can you modify it and make it have the Lumia stream logo colors? And check the image attached for reference. I think it's in another place. I'm working on Wi-Fi coaster right now. That's nice. Noise. Lumia. Do I have a Lumia logo over here? Wow, I don't have a Lumia logo. These one are just Lumia. Well, I guess this will gonna work. How's it going so far with our Wi-Fi coaster? I did really good progress on the jar, so I'm uploading the first version on the market. We're gonna have multiple jars and things to pick later on. Working on body 3D points at the moment. Oh, nice. A lot of prints. Let me save this image and send it to our team. It's kind of a joke, to be honest, making a video that's half about me and half 5 reasons I use Lumia, making joke items to show, features show what my content is about. Yeah. It's good to promote yourself more than, you know, tell everybody what you're doing. Okay, let's find some. I think it's good from my point of view, so I'm gonna upload it. Just want to attract people who like making cool stuff, even if that ends up low numbers. Yeah, I think having people that actually care and are involved, it's better than having like a lot of guys being there and not interacting or not doing anything. Okay, what it does. A Lumia stream custom overlay that turns live chat messages and platform alerts into physics-based objects inside configurable jar mug. It supports avatar chat balls colored by platform, Twitch bits as animated static cheer modes, kicks as WebP media bodies, YouTube super stickers as super sticker bodies, adjustable walls, angle, spawn point, gravity, and media scaling. How to set it up, create a custom overlay, add the required HTML, CSS config data. No, this shouldn't be added. Paste, inject, no. Important. Okay. How to set it up. It's simpler than that. Download the overlay and insert it as a browser source inside your OBS, your broadcasting application. Okay, important. Chat avatar is used data avatar. Chat platform color data origin. Twitch bits use cheer mode CMD. Kicks configs are used to make sure data contains matching keys for first render. We don't need this important thing. All right. Nice and simple. Nice and simple. Good. Okay. My uploads, Lumia jar. Did I upload it privately? I think I uploaded privately. Darn. Share. Yeah. I uploaded privately, unfortunately. Public lock. Okay, your previous marketplace upload has been updated. Okay, but why I cannot see it? It's not there. Okay, let me go into my uploads and remove it. Now let's upload it from here. Choose overlay. Description. Oh crap. Leave comments or improvements and bugs. TG Radu, and we're gonna add our Twitch as well. Why not? Okay, and this should be a hyperlink. Okay, so if I click it, wow, okay, that was not supposed to happen. Okay. Darn. Okay, and this should be a link. And the URL should go here. Okay, good. Let's copy. And that goes indeed to my stream. That's perfect. Make it public. Upload the file. Review and upload. I wanted a new line over there. There we go. There it is. Okay. Good. Okay. Good, guys. We finished our first version that was good enough to be released for to the marketplace. Hope you're gonna like it. It was a fun experiment. I'd love to actually play with this ones. Yeah, we're getting a Storm achievement. So let's see.
Tangodides is the first chatter and has been first 6 times.
Yeah, I crashed my app a bit ago, so we're gonna get printed out again. Let's see who we're gonna raid tonight. Do you have any recommendations for who to raid today? If you do have, please let me know in chat. Let me know in the chat. We need recommendations. Definitely need recommendations. I mean, you can do the same thing. Okay, so let's go there. It's a new Lumia user. Let me check him out. But he doesn't have a camera. He doesn't have any camera. I want somebody with a camera so I can actually see him. To place a name, a user under his name. Let's pause the music.
Quickly. That's phenomenal. But that's for 3 stacking.
I recommended it like 3 days ago. Nearly everyone I follow is offline, to be honest. He does have the Lumia chat. Okay. Right. We're gonna go to him. So let's start the raid. Let's start the raid train. I know what message you're gonna place there, Tango. I still need to create a raid message for like getting the
like cores for
like emotes.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, that is placed, and we can do a Kick host as well. Let me check who is online on Kick. Come on, I'm a real person. Believe me. We have complete Thor, but we did so many raids on him. Let's search another one.
Yeah.
Lumia. Let's search for Lumia. Channels. Live streams. Nobody that has Lumia. Yeah, I cannot find anything that is currently live streamed. Okay, I guess we're gonna go to complete that tour
How's
again.
everyone doing today?
So, guys on Kick, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate every single one that you've been here. And also on YouTube and also on Twitch. Thank you so much. Oh, not with just 2 viewers. I was just looking at it, was showing 7. Yeah, now it's just showing 2, so it doesn't work. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here. Bye.
Same here.
Bye-bye.
Same here.
You rated Apparent Chaos with 4 viewers.
Ah. Tango. Jeez. Thank you, Chief.
Time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you need. Time to get Lumia strings. Hey. Something I know you gonna like. Set the vibe for tonight with RGB smart lights. Lumia stream. Time to vibe and get in the mood. Alone or just with your crew. However you wanna do. All my streamers, YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch. Control streaming lights in real time. You can't resist. So many styles and colors. Really, you won't believe it. In person, you gotta see it. I promise that you will need it. Lumia stream. That's what I like. Let it flow. Time to take control of all the lights. Laid back and cool tight. Gotta get the mood right. Yeah, this is what you